Sorry for the technical difficulties, but here we go, as it's going to be a base hit, runner on first. That's going to be another hit. Oh, and he's going to be thrown out. One out. It's going to be hit. Oh, and that goes over the fence for an out. There we go. Bottom of the second. Pitch. That one is put in out of here. 1-0 Southern Drive Blues lead. They did excellent last game. Let's see if they can put it into this game. Pitch. Ooh, and a strikeout. I think I spoke too soon. Pitch. Ooh, isn't that foul? Well, no, that'll be an out. That's hit right back up the mound, and he'll be tagged out for the first out. That one's hit well. Ooh, and that'll be a home run. Top of the third, and they're trying to get all the runs they can. Tie ball game, and now that's another home run. Pacific Rain lead it 2-1 at the top of the third. Can they pull away and get a victory and force it to game 3? The pitch. That'll be a home run as well. 3-1. Their bats are coming alive here. And the pitching for the Southern Drive Blues are looking the same as it is in regular season. And he hits him. Runner on first. Is that... Oh, that's dropped out, but he'll tag it for the final out. They'll only score 3 this inning. Here we go. The ball's up in the air, and that's caught. 1 out away of forcing a game 3. Here's the pitch. And that one is gone. Up in the trees. Flexed out of the ballpark. Score now 3-2. The Southern Drive Blues still trailing only by 1. Here's the pitch. And that one's going to be a softball. Whoa, wildly thrown. And he'll go and take second. Here's the pitch. And that'll be a softball. He couldn't get there in time, and that'll be a runner on first and second. Thrown. The ball is up. And it'll be dropped. And there'll be bases loaded. Here's the pitch. Oh, and that hits him and ties the ball game up. Bases still loaded. That's up. That's up. And that's gone. Game over. Southern Drive Blues headed to the World Series for the first time in franchise history. A walk-off actually a walk-off grand slam to close the books on the Pacific Rain season. Good luck next year, fellas. All right, Hunter, how do you feel about losing to another team on the southern side of this league?
Feel, I mean, it doesn't matter what team it was. I mean, it's great. You know, we had a great season. You know, it just sucks that it's over now. I don't think we accomplished any major stuff except for getting, you know, the wins and all that. But, you know, next year we have to come out stronger, I guess. If I do stay, we're going to come out stronger and, you know, try to win ourselves a World Series.
Okay.